Today we are going to learn sea animals name. Fish, fish, frog, frog, lobster, lobster, angelfish, angelfish, octopus, octopus, whale, whale, shark, shark, alligator, alligator, seal, seal, goldfish, goldfish, dolphin, dolphin, seahorse, seahorse, starfish, starfish, jellyfish, jellyfish, eel, eel, sea turtle, sea turtle, squid, squid, goldfish, goldfish, coral, coral, penguin, penguin, prawn, prawn, sea urchin, sea urchin, crab, crab, pelican, pelican, clam, clam, snail, snail, tropical fish, tropical fish, sea lion, sea lion, tuna, tuna, paddlefish, paddlefish, catfish, catfish, duck, duck. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.